Hello, this is Chris, and this video is an overview of Microsoft's Advanced Threat Protection email quarantine service from an end user's point of view. First, what is Advanced Threat Protection, or ATP? It is simply an email security filtering service to help keep you safe. It blocks email threats, spam emails, misleading links in emails, phishing emails, man-in-the-middle emails, and other email-related threats. Once your IT has set up and enabled ATP for your organization, the system will automatically run in the background and do its best to block threats and spam. And although it is pretty good at doing this, sometimes there are emails it is just not sure if you want blocked or not. When this happens, Microsoft sends you an email to review the list of emails in question, and allows you the option to have them delivered to your Outlook inbox. So in this screenshot here, this is an example of an email you would receive from Microsoft. You can see in the top here it says spam notification. There's 7 new messages. It's also from @messaging.microsoft.com. So at the top here you can see that you can review anything in this list for up to 30 days from the date it was received. After the 30 days, it is then gone. But so if we decided in 7 days from now we wanted to review this again, just find one of these emails and you can click review buttons, and then we'll show you more of that here in a minute. But this is broken into 2 sections: phish messages and spam messages. So we'll look at phish messages here, and most of the time you're not going to want any phishing message. But you can see here the sender is this, subject is here, the date and time is here. So you can click on block sender, or you can just leave it alone and let it stay in your quarantine message and let it expire after 30 days. Or you can review it, which will open up a new window and allow you to view what the email looks like. Now, unlike the spam messages here, phishing emails do not allow you to just release the email yourself. This is because it is a type of threat, and like I said, you almost never need a phishing email. But if you do, you would have to reach out to your IT support, and they would have to release this to your Outlook inbox for you. On spam messages, again, we have the sender. One more thing on phishing messages is they are typically claiming to be from one person or company when they're actually being sent from somewhere else. So that's why this email message from sender here looks kind of like a crazy message. But on the spam messages, you can see the sender, the subject, date and time, and the same buttons with also the release option. So you can just click release, and then the email will be released to your Outlook inbox, or you can click review. This is just a screenshot, but I'll go ahead and just click here and show you what it looks like when the page opens. So I'm going to minimize this screenshot. And this is an example of the web page that you will see. It is showing you the whole list of everything in your quarantine. And again, you see the received, sender, subject, quarantine reason, and if the email has already been released or not, and the policy of why it is in quarantine, and then the date it expires. So of course, there's the phishing emails, which we're just going to leave alone. I'm going to take this particular phishing email as just an example. So I'm going to click here. It's going to pop up on the right side here, and then we have some buttons at the top, or options. Most of the time you're only going to be releasing the message or previewing the message. If you preview it, it just shows you what the email looks like in a safe way, and you can release. This phishing email is actually going to allow us to release, but some of them it will not. But that is pretty much all you need to know. It's made to be very easy and user-friendly. And if you ever need to come back in here, just find one of those quarantine emails that you received, click on review, and then it will take you back to this screen. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any other suggested topics, please let me know in the subjects or in the comments. Thanks, take care.